other things. Details. And other details stored in borrower's table. See here, borrower's table. These are the fields in borrower's table. See. And we can find many tables like account lines. Account lines table contains fines details. Suppose a user has 100 rupees fine, it will store in account lines. Then transaction details store in uh, transaction. I forgot its name. Anyway, there's a table to store the issue return details. That is statistics. Statistics. Okay. For visually know the database structure, this software PHP MyM, it's an open source one. You can install it. Uh, not not easy to install for beginners. This is helpful to see the or visualize the database structure. Okay, then we are going to report module. Here is the reports module. Uh, this is the home page of report module. Here, guided report. Inside, we can see use saved. Use saved means the saved reports we can find. Okay, first we are going to run a report, saved report. We can understand that how to a report will save. Click on use saved. Here is the reports I have saved before. First report is accession register. Accession register. ID number 1. Click on run button. This is a report which will list out all the books details. This is a display of the report. This report display the entire list of the books. It contains these fields like a barcode, date accession. Based on our purpose, we can add and remove these columns: ISBN, author, title, pages, publisher code, place, copyright date. The entire report will not show in the first page. To see the full report, here is a download option. Save it as a CSV file, and we have to open it using Excel or LibreOffice spreadsheet. See here, this is the list of uh, list of books. List of books in a report. We can sort it based on our purpose. Select all, exclude the first column. Then we want to sort it based on accession number. So data sort A. Okay, first column. Okay. This way we can sort it and manage the report. Once again, the report module is here. Click on reports. Then click on say use saved, where we can find saved reports. See the ID number. First report is access register. Click on run it. It will works. Only 9 record is there. If you want to download it, click on. You can download it using .csv file or a LibreOffice sheet. Okay, then we can see how it display the book details in a single page. To know what works behind, we can see this is the report to display access register. Click on this button, click on edit. Okay, we can edit the report. Edit the report means, see here, the report name, it belongs to the catalog module. Then we can see SQL query. SQL query is the language which fetch or collect information from various tables which contains book details. See here, it's a special kind of language. It asks the it collect information from the table and arrange it and display it for the user. This is a kind of instruction. See here, select. Select means select. Then what should select? Items dot barcode. Items is a table name. Then dot barcode is a field name. Then put a column. Then next element, items dot date accession. Then comma, items dot item call number. Then comma, biblio items. Go to another table and display ISBN number. Then comma, biblio dot author, biblio dot title. From various tables, it give the instruction to collect the elements, data elements. Then from items table is there, from items, that's a table name. Then one more thing, left join means actually it collect a book's details from various tables, more than one table. The common connecting element is biblio items. Biblio item number. That is same for all the record. In items table, biblio item number is there. Biblio items table, same biblio item number is there. Using that number, it fetch a single book records from various tables. So this is a connecting statement. Left join biblio items. Okay, using the biblio number, they connect each other. Another statement, left join biblio items dot biblio number is equal to biblio dot biblio number. It says that both numbers are same. It says that it should fetch books with this biblio number or biblio item number. Then last is order by items dot barcode. After creating the table, report, it should, based on the accession number, ascending order, it should arrange. This we using this instruction, it to generate the report and show you. No need to by heart all these statements. Gradually we will familiar with the SQL query. But Koha project facilitate uh, SQL query report library. Suppose we have this statement. If we get the ready-made statement, we can easily generate a report. Okay, hundreds of similar statements for various reports available in a website. No need to learn it and write down or prepare yourself this kind of reports. You can save time. Go to a website where we can find our organized list of hundreds of SQL query for generate different kinds of report. We are going to uh, run one more report. Patrons by category. Patrons by category. This one. Run. Select the library. Postgraduate student. Run. It will display user details. If you want to add one more field, address, see here. So email. Okay. We can add a line here. Edit the SQL query. We can add a one more element. Surname, first name. Okay. Borrowers dot email. The field name is email. Email. Then one more table. The field phone. Borrowers dot phone. Then comma and save it. Update it. Then run the report. See here, we have edited the SQL query, email and a phone added. This way we can edit the SQL query and make changes on the report. See, next is how to find SQL query from the SQL report library and build a new report. Okay, we are going to create a new report. Click on use saved. Then click on new report, new SQL report. I am going to create a new report. Actually, I don't know how to generate instruction to generate a new report. I am going to copy paste SQL query from the SQL report library. Yeah, I am going to generate a new report. Click on new SQL report. Okay, a new report field is arrived. I need a report regarding circulation section, circulation transaction or fine collected. Okay, here's the link, Koha SQL report library, Koha report library. Link here, right click and open. Otherwise, you can make a search in Google. Koha SQL report library. Koha SQL report library. Here we can find reports regarding various modules. For example, if you want to find some reports on circulation module, click on SQL reports circulation. The first um, page contains reports regarding cataloging. Okay, I'm clicking on. Someone asked about some reports on titles. Okay, we can create that report. See, title, count of all titles or count of all items. Okay, this is a simple report which show the number of titles alone, not the number. I mean, not the copies information. Click on count of all titles. This is the SQL query. We have to copy it. We can see here who will return the SQL query. Many people return this SQL query for their library purpose. After that, they put here. Okay, select the SQL query. Then go back. give a title count of all titles. Then paste the query here. Then choose the module report group. Then we can give a note description here. Purpose count of all titles. Save it. Title report group. Here copy the SQL query and save. Then run the report. 6 titles available. Suppose you want a list of titles alone. We have to find SQL query for list out titles alone without the copies. This is another report just to show only the count of titles. We have to find it from the hundreds of reports. List of volumes. Titles. Okay, once again, suppose we have a report on circulation. For example, you want the number of issue return renewal in a particular date or month. Circulation transaction count. Okay, circulation transaction count. Select the SQL query. Click on new SQL report. Save it. Then circulation, copy, circulation. Then save the report. Then run the report. Report run. We give a time frame. Then only we know the exact number of issue return. Then run the report. See here, issue 4, return 4. This way we can um, find the reports from SQL report library, search and find the suitable report for your purpose. We can find a module-based reports, find the report, copy the SQL query, go to the report module, paste there and run it. If you want any modification, you can make changes here, save it. And strictly follow this syntax. If any comma is missing, it will not work. Today we can wind up the session. Any questions regarding today's session? Tomorrow we will learn how to manage serials module, acquisition module, and then we see other modules like how to customize opaque opaque interface and other things like how to enable plugins on Koha, and what are the missing things. Then how to take backup, restore the backup. Then how to um, customize the notices sent by email. These things we will see tomorrow. Okay, thank you all.
Okay, thank you everyone.